Ang hanap mo ay affordable na single attached unit dito sa Lipa City, Batangas na available via bank, in-house and Pag-ibig financing. This is Larissa Model dito sa Paseo de Lipa. Ang average lot area ng property na to is 100 square meters and then for the floor area is 90 square meters. Kita nyo naman ang laki pa ng mga spaces natin. And dito sa area na to, ito yung magsaserve as your carport. Ang ganda talaga ng mga ino-offer na property dito sa Paseo de Lipa and as well as maganda yung community. Since this is a township community and ito yung magsaserve mo as your living or receiving area. Ang isa pa sa advantage ng property na to is included sa package yung ating water tank na pwede sa freshwater and rainwater tanks. Plus, meron pa itong kasama na 6 panels of solar panels. For our kitchen area naman is naka-quartz countertop tayo and aluminum cabinets. Ito yung space mo for your service area and ito yung sinasabi ko na water tank na included sa package. This is our ground floor bedroom, kaya kung may kasama ka sa bahay na elderly o kaya naman hindi kaya umakyat sa second floor, perfect na perfect ito. Complete set of fixtures din naman tayo para sa ating toilet and bath. Ang maganda pa sa property namin dito sa Paseo de Lipa, this is Eco-Essentials. Tulad ng ating hagdan, this is made of conwood na mga recycled materials. This is our master's bedroom and kita nyo naman ang lalaki ng space natin and may mga abang ito for your window type aircons. This is our bedroom number 2 and ang maganda dito is meron tayo dito mga screens tulad nito and also meron din tayong fire exit. This is our last bedroom. Kita nyo naman ang lalaki ng space natin. Kaya perfect na perfect ito sa mga malalaking families. This is our common toilet and bath dito sa ating second floor. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo kung naghahanap ka ng complete turnover house na available via Pag-ibig Bank and in-house financing and gusto mo yung eco-friendly subdivision, so ito na yung perfect offer namin para sa'yo. Nandiyan sa description box yung full details at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!